Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Are you ready to turn your yard into an enchanting paradise with a cottage garden? You can create beautiful and relaxing space right at home. Let's dive into the simple step to make it happen. Step 1. Dream up your garden design. Start by imagining your perfect garden. Cottage gardens are all about a natural, inviting look. Think of it like painting with flowers. Step 2. Plant a variety of colorful flowers. Choose flowers that catch your eye. Roses, daisies, and lavender are like start in your garden show. Don't forget to add wildflowers for a touch of vibrancy. Step 3. Create curved pathways. Add curvy paths to your garden. It's like stepping into a fairy tale world. Imagine strolling through your very own magical escape. Step 4. Mix and match your plants. Variety is key. Mix different sizes and shapes of plants for a lively and charming garden. Tall, short, it's like a blooming party. Step 5. Embrace the natural beauty. Forget perfection. Let your plants have a bit of freedom. It's like having your own secret garden full of natural beauty. Step 6. Welcome butterflies and bees. Invite pollinators to your garden. Plant flowers that attract butterflies and bees. They shall add life and charm to your space. Step 7. Add rustic elements. Bring in rustic touches like vintage containers or a cozy bench. It's about creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Step 8. Plan for every season. Make sure your garden shines all year round. Plant flowers that bloom in different seasons so your garden is always a delight. Step 9. Choose calming colors. Opt for soft, soothing colors. Think of it like painting a calming picture. Soft shades create that cottage garden tranquility. Step 10. Let nature guide you. Allow nature to have a say in your garden. Embrace surprises like wandering vines or hidden corners. They add to the garden charm. Creating a charming cottage garden does not have to be complicated. With these easy steps, you can transform your yard into a beautiful heaven where nature and beauty come together. Get ready to enjoy the magic of your own enchanting space. Ready to dive into the world of gardening magic. Don't miss out on more tips, inspiration, and enchanting garden ideas. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of fellow garden enthusiasts. Let's grow together. Happy gardening!